Hi Enjoypreneurs! For today's video, we're gonna teach you how to make your own cheesy overload series. Perfect sa mga may hilig sa sweet and salty combo. We will be using our mango milkshake for the first recipe. In a 22-ounce cup, add inJoy cream cheese as falling. Next, add Tapioca Pearls. Add prepared inJoy milkshake. Using a piping bag, extrude whipped cream like so. Add grated cheese and fresh mangoes on top. And tada! Cheesy mango overload. Next, let's make cheesy strawberry overload. Same procedure with the first recipe. But for this one, we use strawberry milkshake and fresh strawberries instead. Wall with cream cheese and add tapioca pearls. Wish you could smell this tapioca pearls through your screen. Aroma pa lang, lalapit na ang customer sa bango. Instant marketing. For our last recipe, let's make cheesy cookies and cream overload. Same procedure pa rin. Only difference is the flavor of the milkshake. You can check the milkshake packaging on how to prepare. We use the 22-ounce serving size for this recipe. Friendly tip, make sure there are no powder residues on the side of your blender para mas smooth ang consistency ng milkshake. You can be creative and use other inJoy milkshake flavors. Comment down below if you have any questions. We'll try to answer them. Try nyo na rin at home. Thanks for watching! Bye!